In this video, we discuss about the second organ of alimentary canal, that is pharynx. Its structure: it is a muscular tube made up of muscles. Its length is 12.5 centimeter, and it starts from the base of the skull behind the nasal cavity and extend down till larynx and esophagus. Pharynx has three main divisions: oral pharynx, nasal pharynx, and laryngeal pharynx. Part of pharynx which is present behind the oral cavity is called as oral pharynx. Part of pharynx which is present behind the nasal cavity is called as nasal pharynx. And a part of pharynx which is present behind the larynx is called as laryngeal pharynx. Walls of pharynx. Walls of all three main divisions of pharynx, that is naso, oral, and laryngopharynx, composed of four layers. Internal, starting from the innermost layer, internal layer is called as mucosa. It secretes mucus and it keeps the pharynx throat moist. Then submucosa, muscle layer, and fibrosa. Muscles of pharynx constrict, contracts, initiating a movement called as rapid pharyngeal peristaltic contractions, or movement that propels the bolus down in pharynx and then into the next organ of alimentary canal, that is esophagus. Swallowing. Swallowing is also called as deglutition. It is an act of passing food from mouth to the pharynx, then into esophagus, and then into stomach. There are three stages involved in swallowing. First, from mouth to pharynx. Second, from pharynx to esophagus. And third, from esophagus to stomach. Epiglottis is a lid-like covering of larynx air tube. It prevents the entrance of food into the larynx. During swallowing, during deglutition, larynx remains closed, so prevent the entrance of food into the larynx. Functions. Pharynx serves both respiratory and digestive system. How? It receives air from the nasal cavity and it receives air, food, and water from the oral cavity. It transfers air to the larynx, air tube, and it transfers food to esophagus, food tube. That's how it serves both functions, by transferring food to esophagus and by transferring air to larynx. It's also used in human speech. It has vocal cord which help in speech. This is nasal cavity. This is oral cavity. Anteriorly, lips are present. On the floor, tongue is present. Roof is made up of palate. And at the sides, cheeks are present. After crushing food into small particles, bolus transferred from mouth to pharynx. This tube is pharynx. A portion of pharynx which is present behind the nasal cavity is called as nasopharynx. Portion of pharynx which is present behind oral cavity, this is called as oral pharynx. And a portion of pharynx which is present behind the larynx, this is larynx. Behind the larynx is laryngopharynx. So pharynx divided into three main divisions: nasopharynx, oropharynx, then laryngopharynx. And then food transfers to the esophagus. Covering of larynx is called as epiglottis, and during swallowing of food particle, this epiglottis remain closed to prevent the entrance of food into air tube. Thank you.